fixing cars because I love to help people. My specialty is electrical and engine performance diagnostics. I would say performance concerns, dealing with misfires, idling issues, timing issues, compression issues, things like that. As far as the electrical side, doing basic checks all the way up to getting down to scope and looking at performing waveform analysis. I found out about this place while I was working at a dealership. I found them through a recruiting website, and I spoke to Saul, and they sounded like a great people to work for, and I came down here and I checked out the place, and I really believe in what they're trying to do here, and I wanted to support that. You want to come here because we do the best. We're going to take our time and make sure it gets fixed right the first time. I'm Lucas, this is Saul's Autotek, and I can't wait to get you back on the road.